And now moving on to our next one, which is about customized services. हर एक क्लाइंट को सोचकर समझकर अच्छे से कंसल्टेशन कर कर जो सर्विसेज ऑफर की जाते हैं वो कस्टमाइज सर्विसेज होते हैं. एंड वी होप दैट दिस काइंड ऑफ स्ट्रैटेजी विल ब्रिंग देम अगेन एंड अगेन टू योर सैलून. और ये सब कुछ हम इस पैनल में डिस्कस करने वाले हैं. एंड फॉर दैट आई वुड लाइक टू इन्वाइट माई पैनल ऑन स्टेज. Can we please have Mrs. Indra Ahluwalia, founder of Grace Beauty Clinic? Keep clapping, people. Thank you so much, ma'am. Mr. Ankit Arora, CEO. Yes, Ankit, aram se. No worries. CEO and founder of Streamline. Miss Anna Louise Kenny, owner of Skin Philosophy. Ms. Unnati Singh, international beauty educator. Before we start the session, I would like to introduce my panel to you. Mrs. Indra Ahluwalia is the founder of the renowned Grace Beauty Clinic from Punjab. With years of experience in the beauty industry, she has established a reputation for providing exceptional services and personalized care to her clients. Her clinic offers a wide range of treatments, including facials, massages, hair care treatments, and much, much more. And everything that she offers is driven by expertise and experience. Thank you so much, ma'am, for joining us here today. Ankit Arora is a visionary who is spearheading the way for Olaplex and Kevin Murphy, and now 310X, his very own brand. He has been in the professional salon business for decades now, passionate and hardworking with a will to win. Ankit Arora is a well-known name in India's professional beauty industry. Thank you, Ankit, for joining us here today. Anna Louise Kenny is the owner of Skin Philosophy. With 19 years of experience in the industry and having run the Skin Philosophy training since 2011, she has a true passion for delivering results-driven, clinically backed treatments that empower all her clients to look and feel their best. Thank you so much for joining us today, Anna Louise. Ms. Unnati Singh, international beauty educator, director of IHB Education India, founder of Mansi Beauty Academy and Salon, is a veteran in makeup and training as well as education. She's instrumental in bringing international artists to India and enabling Indian students to take on world competitions. Thank you so much, Unnati ji, for joining us here today. With that, I would like to start the panel discussion here. So if we could start with understanding what exactly is customized services. Would you like to take the question first?
So when it comes to customized service, it's like what kind of clients you are dealing, what kind of subject they have, like which part of service they are coming for, hair, skin, makeup, nail, whatever. They are entering to your salon. You should know that. That's very important. And customizing means something doing new for them. You should bring something new for them. Maybe it can be a limited edition thing, like once happening in your salon just for them, for a very privileged clients. If they are coming and they know that ये चीज़ सिर्फ उन्हीं के लिए बनाई गई है, ये 2 दिन उनके लिए special है. You can invite some international person who is giving a special haircut to them, which is a limited edition again. And same with the services also, like we can do a special kind of facial, which is limited edition. We are doing for that span only, and we are inviting the customers for that. So whenever any client feel they are special and something is customized for them, they really want to step back and they ask for the other service. But important thing is what next. So when they are leaving your salon, going back, they should carry the next service with them, which can be again special for them.
So in that case, what is the difference between having a special offer and giving customized service? If you have like limited edition facial, for instance.
Special offer is for each and every client. They can be of any segment.
Okay.
They can be those who are giving you 2,000 rupees amount in a month, or maybe 20,000 in a month. And sometimes they come for a package also, maybe 1 lakh also for laser service. If you are giving special skin treatments with some aesthetic service you are giving, it's upon that. So that's all comes into the special offer. but limited edition is a very good thing to give in your salon. That means that is a special thing. You are not inviting everybody. You are inviting only those clients, those who are willing to go for a new thing, and they trust you that
Okay.
whatever you're bringing new is good for them.
Okay. Indra ma'am, would you also like to answer the same question?
Yes, I think customization makes a lot of difference. Nowadays, the time is gone when we say ki one size fits all.
Yeah.
That's not possible. You see, everybody comes with a different taste, different skin type, and from different weather. Like suppose somebody is coming only for one facial. She's come from abroad, and we are giving the same facial. Everybody will not work. But if somebody is coming like for the treatment, then every time we'll have to customize it. See, when we say, okay, we'll give you this facial, next time what happens, she'll go to the other salon and say, I got this company ka this facial done and costed me itna. What is your price? Then it becomes very difficult. Next time she goes, okay, they gave 4,000, we'll give you in 3,500. So you can, if you customize things, you can control your price also. Price war, you can charge more. And at the same time, customization, Hamesha is always expensive.
Yeah.
Because you'll have to keep expense bada hota hai because you'll have to keep perfect people. Anybody cannot design the facial. So you need to have a full infrastructure and all, and then it really works. I'm telling you one एक instance बताती हूँ. Like, see, I'm talking about 15 years back. I was in Mumbai. I did one advanced course of skin, and I was very happy. One word he said, facials are out, ma'am. Nowadays treatments are in. So when I came back, and इतना बड़ा बैनर मैंने अपने उसके पीछे लगा दिया, facials are out, treatment is in. And 1-2 clients came to me, ma'am, you see my skin. I thought it's done. But at the same time, one lady came to me, ma'am, facial क्यों बंद कर दिए? Treatment, आपने facial तो आपके बड़े अच्छे थे. I said बंद नहीं किए. So that depends. What type of आप किस type की audience से आप meet कर रहे हो और किसको customization चाहिए, किसको personalization चाहिए, that we'll have to check it out. तो मेरे like according to me, customization, believe me, makes a lot of difference. Your skin, your formula. Your hair, your formula. Then people feel wanting.
Yeah.
I think it's और आज की डेट में योर स्किन योर फॉर्मूला इज वर्किंग बेटर क्योंकि मैंने वो हटा दिया फेशियल्स आर आउट बट एट द सेम टाइम आफ्टर सो मेनी इयर्स 2-3 साल से वी हैव रिटन योर स्किन योर फॉर्मूला एंड इट्स गिविंग अस द रिजल्ट्स
Right.
एंड यस
Anil, Luis, coming to you, what is your take on customizing treatments?
So, like all of what was said already, you know, you have your making it special for someone. You're able to have a treatment that is just signatory to your salon, your clinic.
Yeah.
No other clinic can copy it. The other thing that's really what I love about customization is you get better results. You do a treatment, you enhance it for what that person needs, then the results are better. So it's really, really important that you're making out your treatment to kind of layer it and bring more into the treatment. So then the customer's walking away going, my skin never looked better. So that's also really like highlight or advantage of doing it.
Right. Thank you. Ankit, from a brand perspective, how much does customization matter to you?
You know, I've heard such interesting points. And, you know, as Indra ma'am said, one size fits all is those days have gone. And I think she's right about that. The way I look at this topic is a very interesting topic because while, you know, there are salon owners watching this or hearing the panelists speak, you have to understand all salons are at very different levels, right? And the reason why, you know, Unnati ma'am, Indra ma'am and Anna are here is because they come with, you know, 20 years plus of experience of having gone through standardization and then having transitioned to customization. So I think it's important first to have that standardization because customized service, don't forget on the word service. And then don't forget that the customer coming back is what we're discussing. So first the service should be good. Then the customer will come back. and then you further build on that. Okay, my customer is coming back because my service is good, and I want to customize the service so the customer is retained and locked with me and not going to competition. You know, like how very inspiring when she said, your skin, your formula. Perfect thing. But standardize, then customize, and that's how we will retain the clients. From a brand perspective, in this industry, we need to be customized. If I'm sitting with Unnati ma'am, I have to have a different discussion as a brand partner. If I'm sitting with Indra ma'am, I have to have a different discussion as a brand partner. This is the one thing in this industry, is everything is customized when it comes to a brand partner going to a salon, because our salon customers all are very different people. They come from very different experiences, walks of life, strategies, visions, and everyone has their own amazing vision. So for us as a brand, we need to fit into that vision, right? We need to fit into the salon owner's vision. So anyways, everything is customized there. You know, I'll give a very simple example. I was in Cosmoprof in Italy, and wahan pe I waited for about 30 minutes because I saw this one machine that kind of takes your hair strand in it, and it gives you an analysis on your hair, and then it kind of, your hair, your formula was happening in front of my eyes. I was seeing 3 different products mixing in the machine to create a product for your customer's hair depending on the hair type. So where people are taking this to what level is going to be a lot of fun to follow. I'll give you another very random example. I was at a bar with 8 of my clients just 2-3 days ago in a different country, and we had our glasses, and the waiter came. He stuck a label on the glass and put our initials on it so that your glasses don't get missed. And for me, that was customization. So, you know, simple things. Customization doesn't have to be complex. It can be simple things. It doesn't have to be that machine which could probably cost lakhs, but it can be simple things that you can do as salon owners, to basically bring the client back. And as a brand, honestly, I was actually thinking more from the salon side, but now that you've sent me that brand question, I would say, we have to customize, we do customize, and we will continue to customize. That's all I can
does it
say.
filter down to your sales staff? Do you impart this sort of training to them when they go out on field and meet salons?
200%, because I think that is why we have different levels of sales staff to manage different levels of clients. So that is where the customization starts automatically.
Yeah.
I will never have somebody junior go to either of my clients. In fact, maybe to these clients, I would go myself. I may not send even a RSM level person, because, you know, that first moment of truth, or that first, impact needs to be made by, let's say, somebody like me, or maybe my national head. You know, so that is where the customization starts. And then baki to you have to go with the flow, because Indra ma'am कौन सी चीज पे क्या बोल देंगी और हमें उनको कैसे पटा के वापस हमारे ब्रांड के ट्रैक पे लाना है, वो तो हमें on the foot move करना पड़ता है. तो
Customization, as that somebody is coming for the color, root touch-up. हम हमेशा कहते थे, अच्छा number 4, number 5, how much revenue we'll get from it? Then now we say, मैम आपका कलर तो अच्छा है, पर nowadays आप पूरा टोन चेंज क्यों नहीं करते हैं? A little lighter, आपको ज्यादा नहीं चाहिए, customize. Then we say, oh, it's rough, इनका Olaplex क्यों नहीं बीच में डालते? See, it's all customization, right? It's all customization. If we'll give our services like this, if we'll give the quality 110%, no doubt they are spending more, but they are spending more for the quality. So they will have to come back. So now to I 100% believe in customization. As I have seen, because I'm in this industry from last 40 years, I have seen from here, हम कैसे करते थे काम, तब बोल के आजो जी अपना दिन जागो, अभी नहीं होता है. You will have to show the results. If you are good at it, customer will come. Customer को बहुत options आ गई हैं. वो time चला गया कि grace is there, one is there, one is home. So many options are there. So सबसे पहले हमें अपने जो काम हम कर रहे हैं उसकी क्वालिटी की तरफ ध्यान देना है. You give the good quality and then you can charge anything.
Anna Louise, what would you say is the best way to start customizing your services in a salon?
So I think a really good way of actually bringing it in is training your staff to like take notes of clients, what they like, little stuff like one of my clients is coming in, she's pregnant, the next time, then I'll make sure that there's some cold compress for her. So like learning what your client likes and making note of it so that even if the staff changes, they're still getting the treatment that's customized for them. Because the problem with customization to implement it is the person has to know the client, and that's not always possible. So sometimes we have to go, how do we keep it like the same throughout the whole salon? So the easiest way to do that is having some sort of records of your clients,
Yeah.
some kind of taking notes that you can keep something for them. And I think that's the best.
So this is where maybe a salon software can come into the picture.
Salon software, like highly recommend. Highly recommend. It's like, okay, a little bit of cost, but like you can, as an owner, you can go in, look at your clients, look at their like pictures that's on there, look at the notes, see what the staff has done, look at appointments, see how busy you are, work out your revenue. Like salon software, always you should have. Always.
Right. Thank you for that, bringing that up. Unnati ji, what is your point of view of how do salons start customizing their services?
So like I would love to share one experience here because I am more into education. Everyone is knowing that.
Yes.
So like when our students are learning, we need models for them. So what I did one live singing session for the spa. So I invited one group, elite group of Indore, and I said that you will come for spa and we are having one live singer for you.
Okay.
So they all came and it was wonderful, amazing. Because then they paid also for that because otherwise in a class they want a free service normally.
Yes.
But we charge less, but we charge when student is also doing. Because it's not like that when student is learning, we should give them free service. Why to? We are putting our products, we are using that. And even our student feel that they are earning. We just spread that thing in them only. Like this is your client and you are going to give them spa and we are charging 400 rupees or 500 just for the product. But we have to give them back 2,500 rupees service. We are not compromising on service.
Yeah.
So like you have to give that. So we just train them in that way and we customize it. So that was a customized afternoon for the ladies and with the live singing. It was wonderful. Secondary, nowadays people have less time. They can't spend much time for the facials for 2.5 hours, 1.5 hours, and for the hair service also. So we should have some service which are express service.
Yeah.
So like in a lunch, we talk, it's a lunch service,
Yes.
lunch break service. So they come for that and immediately we have to do. So our people know that when they are entering, we have to finish in 20 or 25 minutes, whatever service we are giving. So we have that thing in mind. So we can keep a data, both kind of client, like those who have time and those who don't have time. So like that, that's again very important because we have very good service to sell, but client is not having time. Then what's the use of that?
Absolutely. But this is where again the data you've collected will come into play. So what ways of data collection do you recommend?
Always on the computer because that's what Anna is saying like that. Because whatever we are doing, we should put on our computer thing. So then only we can realize and we can recollect also. Because whatever memory you have, you don't remember anything like that.
Yes.
And from that app, we can come to know that when client came, again when they can come. And again, I said like one service you are doing, but they should buy the other service before they go leave you. So they are going to come back. You should know they are coming back to you because
Right.
that is important.
Absolutely. Ankit, coming to you about this tech question, whatever information that a salon is gathering through an app, how can they effectively use that information to customize their services?
I think, like they say, a machine can only do that much.
Yeah.
You will still need human intelligence to work on data. So whenever you're gathering data, you need to start then filtering the data out. Somebody needs to be dedicated. It cannot be the business owner. It has to be a dedicated resource who is sitting there looking at customer data and evaluating what is the next step on that. Further filter that into different categories. Okay, Mrs. Kapoor is, has given this data and this is what my next step for it. Mrs. Reddy has given this data and this is what my next step for it is. So there needs to be a dedicated resource. A lot of times, we have data but we don't use it.
Yeah.
So I think which is very important is to use the data.
Right. Indra ma'am, How do you do it in your salon?
Yes, even I believe data is so very, very important. After data, decisioning, and then designing,
Okay.
designing and delivery. These all four things should be at this level. Then only you can succeed. Because we data है decisioning, ये नहीं data है customized service है इसको ये का ये mix कर दो. Sometimes people don't understand what they are mixing, what they are doing it. We don't know what their customization, personalization actually go hand in hand. And for all these things, we will have to follow this data and all. Delivery, आगे हमने decision ले लिया, design कर दिया, but then delivery has to be good. Who is performing? What result? How she is handling that client? So all these things together make one customized service. It's not only कि mix this, and this is a customized.
Right. Anna Louise, there are salons that are small in size or average standalone salons. They don't have these many resources. So, what advice would you give them when it comes to creating customized menus?
So I really believe that you should be doing a 5-minute skin analysis every time you do a treatment.
Okay.
So every time a client comes in, it changes. So you make sure that your staff are taking that client, having a look at their skin, speaking to the client to say, okay, today your skin is like more oily, more congested. So I'm going to focus on this and this. And what that comes back to is experience and training. You can't just put a new person who has no knowledge, no training, no nothing onto someone and go, yeah, I'll be able to do this for all your skin. You have to have good experienced staff and you need to train them well. And taking the time with the client to sit them down and go through their treatment with them really, really will make them feel more special. They know that you're really caring about the treatment.
So, when you are so much focused on customizing or personalizing the services, does it mean that your menu goes like out of hand? You have to have 10 different services?
I do. So what I did with ours was I did one treatment. They weren't allowed to book skin needling, peels, nothing like that, nothing. They could only book what's called a prescriptive skin treatment.
Okay.
1 hour block, certain time, okay? And then when you come in, I'll decide what I'm going to do in you. That's it. They weren't allowed to decide what was good for their skin. I had to do it when they come in.
And how do you price this? The prices don't differ?
No, because you're making it a higher price to cover most, like
Okay.
to cover it anyways, because it's a specialized treatment. You want a basic treatment for a less price, go somewhere else. But you're wanting something specialized for you. You pay enough that it covers whatever you're doing. So sometimes we would maybe do microneedling. So this is more expensive service to do. It'll cover that. But sometimes then we might just do, vacuum, like very like small facial. It's the same price.
Okay.
Yeah. And just having an average price that covers everything. And this makes the simple system so much easier.
So the prescriptive facial on your menu has a single price, and once they come and consult you, you decide what is to be given to them. Oh, that's interesting. Unnati ji, what would you like to add to this?
This was very good suggestion what you gave here. So like I would love to add few more customized service which we keep on doing, and we suggest the other salons also, those who are doing. So like we can do one book reading session with our client, those who are interested in books, because nowadays the people have book but they don't have time to read.
Yeah.
So with the root touch up, if somebody is coming and sitting and reading a book for them, they really feel happy. So that we do with one certain kind of group, those who are into reader community, and we invite them for. If customizing is for everything, you can customize services, products, your expertise, whatever you are, and whatever you can give them the customized thing. But again, they should feel special for that, and it should be limited edition. Every day we don't do that thing. That we do once or twice in a year. So when we do like that, they wait for that. When is the next session for the reader community? When we can come? They wait for that and they keep on asking. So we can gather more people for that when the curiosity is there. So on Instagram, if we are using the platform for our digital marketing, so we should know like what kind of marketing we are doing. We are building our PR, our branding, or marketing. Then from there also we can take out the client whom we can customize and give them service back. Again, time is important, like how much time they have. what service we are giving them, that should be very clear. And when we are suggesting them, the same thing should be delivered to them. That is again important. Like I am suggesting a facial which is going to give them wow result, but the girl who is doing is not educated in that way, so that the results are not that good. So again, very important for that. If we want our client back, whatever we are saying, whatever we are customizing, that should be delivered in the same way.
Right. So, as opposed to what Anna Louise said, where the service is customized, you're suggesting the experience should be customized.
Yes.
So, in your case, since you tried this book reading thing, should it be on a trial and error basis?
Yes, we can.
Yeah.
Because once you will not try, you will not come to know what kind of taste your client is having. So every
Right.
client have a different taste. So like nowadays, if you say the Sikhi community, the ladies, they are doing lot of business. They're businesswomen. They are traveling more than men nowadays. So when they are coming to salon, they need pampering, but they don't have much time, less
Yeah.
time,
Yeah.
and they want something very quick. So we should know that they're having only half an hour and they have to leave. We have to respect their time. What we are doing, we are selling our service. We are trying to keep them for longer time. Then there is a problem. So that should be very clear that how much time they have and how much we can give them.
Right. Ankit, what is the best way to evaluate how the customer is receiving all these efforts?
You know, there was a line, they say happy faces sell more cases. This is in sales. I think the easiest way to evaluate is to see whether your customer is smiling or the customer is sulking.
Okay.
Right? And you know, honestly, how you can give them feedback forms. All of us get irritated when you have to fill a form.
Yeah.
Because we don't want to do that. We have come for a service. So it is about the client's reaction. You have to be able to study the facial expressions. You know, and in a salon environment, I don't think it is about putting up a pretty face. It is about, you know, if you're not liking the service, they will. And customers are ruthless nowadays, you know. वो छोड़ते थोड़ी ना है, वो तो एकदम सीधा मुंह पे बोल लेते हैं कि नहीं मुझे तो मजा ही नहीं आया आपकी सर्विस से. So very simple question and a very simple answer. If they're smiling, they're happy. If they're not happy.
All right.
And in most cases, if they're not happy, they will speak up. Because they feel they're paying us. So they need to make sure they get 5x ROI out of that one facial payment or whatever. So
Absolutely. Indra ma'am, coming to you, how do you encourage your staff to be more participating in this kind of activities to make it more personalized for the customers?
नेचुरली हम एक्चुअली जब आप ज्यादा बोल देते हो और उस पर रीच नहीं करते तो दैट्स बैड. तो मैं हमेशा कहती हूँ कि इतने परसेंट डेफिनेटली इफ समबडी इज कम फॉर द एक्ने और पिगमेंटेशन, ओ मैम एक सिटिंग में ठीक हो जाएगा, दैट्स नॉट, it's not possible. Tell them we'll try. It can take 4 sittings or 5. Never lie कि आज client आया अगर नहीं ठीक होगा she will never come back.
Yeah.
But again at the same time मैं आज कहती हूँ आज भी हम लेट हैं जब हम बात करते हैं कस्टमाइजेशन. आज देखो कितने सालों से सबवे, मैकडोनल्ड, एवरीबडी कस्टमाइजेशन इज देयर. See, we love it. No, I don't like this sauce. I don't like this sauce. Give me this. I want vegetarian. I want. Why? We are late. We are very late. That's why salons, believe me or not, salons are why they are going down. Everybody's like so many salons, but they are not performing the way what they should perform. Customization and personalization is very good, but sometimes you are too personalized that gives a pressure to the client. Oh, अब ये कराना ही पड़ेगा. We should not be like that. No pressure. Just talk seriously. Always call her with the name. This much personalization is good. नहीं मेरे घर में ये हो गया या तेरे घर में ये हो गया. We are not. And you talk about their skin. You are looking nice. That way personalization is good. And I always tell my employee whenever you go for the service, when you are delivering service, you are not going to talk about yourself. ना उनकी बात सुननी है. आपने अपने काम की बात करनी है. Yes, be a good listener and I think it pays. It works. लेट नहीं है. हम इतने पिज्जा कितने सालों से खा रहे हैं. पिज्जा ले लो, सबवे ले लो, ये चाहिए वो. We are very late. ये
Yeah.
देखो फॉरेन से आई चीजें वो हमें खाने की चीजें दे रहे हैं कस्टमाइज. एंड हम अपनी पूरी पर्सनैलिटी जिसका हेयर एंड स्किन पूरा इसके ऊपर हमारा दारोमदार है. एंड हम लेट है कस्टमाइजेशन एंड पर्सनलाइजेशन में. आई थिंक एवरीबडी मस्ट स्टार्ट द वे शी सेड. आई लाइक इट वन रेट, बट देन वी हैव नॉट. आई एम जस्ट शेयरिंग द माय एक्सपीरियंस. आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि यू शुड नॉट fix the prices, definitely. But how we have fixed the prices, ma'am, it's a customization. Your skin, see, your main concern is acne, but at the same time, you got a sensitive skin, and at the same time, it's getting dehydrated. I don't know what you're applying. So if I'll treat three things, I'll charge you this much. If I'm using only one medicine, I'll charge you this one. Second medicine, then this much amount will be third. Like this, don't cheat them. If you're using two, then charge for two. Using one, sometimes you say, ma'am, you don't need any, you are looking so good. Like if you're true to your client and giving the right service and giving the result oriented service, client has to come back to you.
मैम आपने फूड इंडस्ट्री का एग्जांपल दिया, सबवे या मैकडोनल्ड्स, वेयर यू कैन कस्टमाइज, सबवे स्पेशली यू कैन टेल देम एग्जैक्टली व्हाट टू पुट. ब्यूटी इंडस्ट्री में, सैलून साइड में हम कस्टमर को इतना फ्रीडम नहीं दे सकते. वो हमें आके ये नहीं बोलेंगे मुझे ये फेशियल करना है, मुझे ये
That's
करना
why
है.
customization doesn't mean कि हम उनकी सुने. That's a personalization. हम नहीं तो एक चीज उठाई और लगा दिया. नेक्स्ट टाइम शी विल गो टू द अदर सैलून एंड से मैंने वो किया था, इसका क्या रेट है. वो प्राइस वॉर इतनी ज्यादा है आजकल, उसको कम करने के लिए कस्टमाइजेशन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट.
Yeah.
We are using two medicine. We are using this medicine. That's why we have charged you so much. But हम उनको ये फ्रीडम नहीं दे रहे. We are telling them, you what is madam your first concern? We are not asking her which product should I use. I am asking ma'am what is your concern? A lady comes to me. Her son is getting married. She is mature and she has come only for one facial. मेरे बेटे की शादी है. I will not tell her I'll give you the facial face lifting. Of course, that will be the second concern. This time, what I'll do, I'll try to give shining, exfoliation, and a little second concern, third concern, maybe lifting also. But she is not coming again for the, then lifting, one facial of lifting will not make any difference to her.
Yeah.
So for the time being, I'll see the main concern. Hamisha, we never ask you which facial you want. What is your main concern, ma'am? Your skin is thick. Exfoliation हम करेंगे. And if you say हम आपको lifting के लिए भी लेके जा सकते हैं. So like this हम customize करेंगे, but we will not ask them कि ये डाल दो, ये डाल दो. Your concern की है. Is lifting, whitening, lightening, exfoliation, what? Shining.
Yeah.
शादी है तो shining है ना. अगर एक मैं जाती हूँ घर को, मेरे को नहीं चाहिए whitening, I want always lifting, है ना, because I am at this age, lifting will work for me, so I'll ask for the lifting. Second can be a whitening. वो कौन नहीं चाहता इसके जितना गोरा होना है ना, जैसा even I want my, है ना, complexion to be like her. Yes. So we'll have to see. ये सारा हम देख के कस्टमाइजेशन, मतलब नहीं कि आप हमें बोलो. पर्सनलाइजेशन, कस्टमाइजेशन, हैंड इन हैंड. प्यार से पूछो मैम यू नीड दिस, पर आपका क्या है, एंड देन tactfully है. ऑफ कोर्स इट्स नॉट इजी. दैट्स व्हाई आई एम सेइंग एवरीबॉडी कैन नॉट डू कस्टमाइजेशन.
Yes.
हम जो मेरे सैलून का है, वी हैव 10 सैलून्स. व्हाट हाउ वी डू कस्टमाइजेशन. सी, जब कस्टमाइजेशन आपको डेफिनेटली एक्सपेंसिव फेशियल, मी एंड माय डॉटर इन लॉ, बिकॉज बीइंग द ऑनर्स, तो लोगों को लगता है उनको शायद ज्यादा आता है. हो सकता है मैं ये जो एस्थेटिशियन वहाँ बैठी है उसको ज्यादा आता है. वेयर एवर वी आर, चाहे इंटरनेशनल भी हैं, तो अगर फर्स्ट क्लाइंट आता है, मैम वी आर सेंडिंग योर फोटोग्राफ. लास्ट इनका ये हुआ था, दे सेंड मी फॉर, लास्ट ये था, आज इनको इतना फर्क है, एक्ने ठीक हो गया, ओनली डार्क स्पॉट्स है, देन विल से गो फॉर द लाइटनिंग एंड दिस. मैम ने बोल दी ओके ओके, लाइक दिस. उनको पर्सनलाइजेशन भी मिल गई एंड कस्टमाइजेशन भी मिल गई.
Right.
It's working till now, but I don't know tomorrow what happens.
Yes, Ankit,
The
you
new
wanted
things
to
will
add something.
You know, I realized in the whole panel discussion, I was wearing the hat of a salon owner. You know, and then I realized I should have worn the hat of a brand owner. So I wanted to make a point, and I think when I saw Mr. Komaravil walk in, I realized that I have an answer to your previous question. So, you know, that question of how do you customize for your customers. So, when you walk into like I told you, every customer is different. They all have different visions.
Yes.
And different opportunities and challenges, right? So when I went to his, when I was pitching him, we had launched a Olaplex Spa Ritual last year. And I remember we actually created a customized kit for naturals. Because he said, boss, I bought like one size doesn't fit all. Anyways, doesn't apply anymore.
Yeah.
But even if you're talking to 1,000 naturals, you need to have a different kit that comes for me. So we actually co-created a different kit. Last week I was sitting in my office. I got a call from him and I got a message from Veena ma'am. Now they're launching 310X. So now we've customized even a kit for them for 310X for their salons. So customization is extremely important.
Right.
We have to customize and so that they can optimize.
Very well put.
That is
Ankit.
how it
Yeah,
works.
Very well said. Adalu is coming to you. So you as the owner are very clear about why you want to customize your services. Now, how do you inculcate this in your staff?
So we had to develop a training manual for the staff, because you cannot just let staff just do anything they like.
Yes.
Yes, it's customized, but it's customized for a reason. Okay, someone comes in with dehydration, acne, you do this, you do this, you do this. And we had to make sure that we had the training, we have a staff handbook, and then they need to sign a contract to say they'll stick to it, because then they know there'll be big trouble if they don't stick to it. Otherwise, you'll have clients complaining because you're not in that room. And if you're not in the room, you can't control. So really, staff training is really important, but making sure that they understand the consequence of not sticking to the protocols.
Right.
That's
So protocol A is very important,
Yeah.
and protocol replaces you in that room with your staff.
Yeah.
And thirdly, they should know what the consequences should be.
yes, because sometimes they go, oh, it's fine if I put acid on top of sensitive skin, should be okay. You know, like it's like these are the consequences. You stick to them. This is your manual, your training protocol. This is don't stick to this, then you have no job. That's it.
Wow. Yes.
So when it is coming for the customized service, what we give to our client when they are stepping in, so we can do little personalized also in that, not only in service, just to saying thanks to them. So
Yeah.
like the thank cards we send to them, like we send on mobile, on WhatsApp, we can give them handwritten also. I have lot of letters from my client like Anuradha Podwal for the hair. She has written a letter to me, and lot of clients which I have selected. One day I will publish one book about it. So when it comes like that, more responsibility comes. When you come to my office, you can see one letter, it is framed and kept. Every time I keep on changing because client give us those kind of letter. They
So
write and give.
testimonials is
Yes,
what you
yes,
put up.
it's there.
Okay.
It's a handwritten but. So
Okay.
I also handwrite letter and I send to my clients so many times. They can be my student, they can be salon owners, they can be client who are coming for service. So I love to write one line from my hand, whatever I can. So that is a touching thing for them because we are one-to-one with them.
Yes.
They understand we are caring for them and we know about their taste, what they want.
Their emotional connect is there. One final question to you and ma'am is now that we all agree that customizing is here now, it's not even the future, it's present, we have to do it now. Does that mean that the whole package system of selling packages is out of the window?
So I think things are changing now.
Yeah.
So it's not like how we were used to doing the previous time. Like ma'am gave the example of Subway. Ankit was saying like when he was a glass, it was written their name. Same when you go to Starbucks, you can see your name is written on it. So it's not going to make. So a lot of brands are doing like that. Even we can do like that. So we can make a proper package for them. We can write one welcome note when they're coming to salon. We can keep on changing on whiteboard like that. But they see every salon do that, their special thing. They write their special offer, what is going that day. But if they write about with the name of client that you are coming and this is the offer for you, when she enters, she feel very happy. He or she. I'm more into she, that's why I'm saying she. So like they feel happy about it. So we can
Got
make a nice package and we can just put some personalized note in each and every salon when the client, we know where client is coming because
Absolutely.
they take appointment before they come. It's not
Right.
like walk-in coming like that.
Right. Yes, you wanted to add something.
So what we did was we introduced memberships,
right.
because then packages are a problem when you're trying to keep customization. It's
Yes.
harder to do. So the membership was you had a treatment once every 4 or 6 weeks, depending. You got a discount on that price that was there already, and then you got like extra percentage off of retail. So the membership is they were guaranteeing to come back every single month. You had guaranteed revenue Plus, also, you could make sure their skin was looked after. So, membership for me is the future of the industry. That's the way it's going. Like, it's huge for everything in the UK now. Like, even buying clothes, you're paying Klarna, which is like you're paying monthly for a piece of cloth.
Yeah.
You know, that's the way the future.
Wow, that's very interesting. Ma'am,
Yes, she's right. But what I think, your final result of the customer is your package. But if a new client is there, I never offer the packages. Because फंसा रही है, like this word, पंजाब में तो बोलते हैं फंसा रही है. I never ask for the package. But yes, if I give one good service and she's coming again, and said, अब मैं अब कब आऊँ? Ma'am, if you like the service, आपको ये इतने की पड़ गई. If you take a package, आपको एक सर्विस फ्री हो जाएगा इसके साथ. Let her like them. That's why I say your final result to the customer is your package. I believe in that. But things have changed. पहले हम करते ये लेके जाओ, ये लेके जाओ. अभी कस्टमर बड़ा स्मार्ट है,
बिल्कुल.
बहुत स्मार्ट है कस्टमर.
Thank you so much to all my speakers. Can we have a round of applause for them? And now I throw the floor open for questions, but we have time for only a couple of them. Any questions from the audience about customization? No, all your queries have been answered. Okay, so with that we conclude. Acha, yes. One question. Can we have the mic there, please?
The question is for Archana ma'am, because
Yes.
you know North is very price sensitive market, like she says. You know, a lot of like people are always asking for discounts, and people are always asking for more and more in less and less price. So how do you customize for such kind of clients or customers? Because you want to give them the best of the services, but they are not ready to pay. They'll compare you with some other salon or other services. They are doing it. Why can't you do it? So how to go about that?
That's why I'm putting more weight to the customization. Sir, ma'am, I'm doing this. I'm not picking up any product from the counter. ABC आपको लगा दिया. Because when I am customized for you, I'll have to take open 3 things. Because your skin needs this. You'll have to explain it, but Punjabis are really very tough.
That's why.
They see the result and immediately a cup of coffee and say, oh my God, you look so beautiful. 10,000 le lo. Oh, you got lovely hair, ma'am.
So
But these few things, Punjabi se jitna marzi le lo.
So customize the coffee also for them.
Customization. Because that's why I was telling, if somebody says कि मैं आपको so and so company का कर रही हूँ, she goes to the other one, she says मैं भी इस company का कर रही हूँ. See, maybe my overheads more than that. मेरा सैलून बड़ा, हमारी इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बिल इज बहुत, मेरे एम्प्लॉयज बहुत है, मेरे को उनको, तो जब हम ये करते हैं तो मेरा किसी सैलून से कंपटीशन नहीं रहता. सुनो मैम, हो सकता है उन्होंने एक मेडिसिन यूज की हो, हमने 3 की थी, है ना, लाइक, एंड वी आर गिविंग द रिजल्ट्स आल्सो. तो इस तरह हमें करना पड़ता है, एंड वी डू दैट वे.
Yes, one last question.
Hi, I'm Akshay. This is from the point of view of education sector. Okay, now I know you're doing a lot of work into education side. You're doing a lot of work. There are a lot of academies which are there, which are not authorized. They are offering packages which are like, okay, 10,000 rupees and do this, 15,000 rupees and do this. Whereas the authorized ones or those who are established ones, they have to charge a certain amount, right? So that's where how we will be able to do customization on the education side. I'm so sorry if I'm on the wrong track.
Right, you are.
So how we can have customization on the education side? So that is much needed in the current industry, what I understand.
Actually, my son Yuvraj is handling all the academies and he'll have a better answer. But still at the same, see, our fees should be pocket friendly. This is not my skin courses, starts from 25,000 only, goes till 160. Then customization. Because if you cannot afford, but you can work somewhere as a helper, I'll teach you manicure, pedicure, waxing, threading, bleaching, and the manipulations. Good. Then I'll take the other one where I can teach you the machinery. I'm teaching you galvanic, I'm teaching you ultrasonic, I'm teaching you this. Third level, I'm giving you Hydra, I'm giving you peels, showing you, sir, then I will charge you. So wherever your pocket allows you, आप वो join कर लो. If you like the first one, earn something and then come and join second one. For me, this kind of packages works well. And believe me, आज तक जब भी मेरे सैलून में, because I'm running an academy, we are giving skin, hair, nails and makeup, of course, advanced makeup. This. And आज तक ऐसा नहीं है कोई स्किन करने आया तो 5 के 5 नहीं ली हूँ, हार्डली. किसको टाइम की प्रॉब्लम है, को बाहर जा रहा है तो इट्स वन थिंग. दैट्स द वे वी टीच एंड आई थिंक इट वर्क्स. निकालो नहीं, कैन नॉट अफोर्ड, टेल देम राइट, गो एंड अर्न. If you want to learn, then come again. This way we can customize.
But to your question, I also want to point out one thing. Because we're on the topic of customization, we should not over intellectualize it.
Yes.
Because education has to be standardization based.
Great.
So do not try to customize something that needs or that thrives on standardization.
So it has to stay the same way what we are.
There are certain
proposing,
There
right?
are certain things that have to stay the way they are. So education customized nahi honi chahiye. And
Okay.
again, and why I'm saying this is because maybe some people might walk out thinking मैं तो हर चीज कल से कस्टमाइज ही करूंगा या करूंगी, तो वो फिर गड़बड़ हो जाएगा. जो चीज स्टैंडर्डाइज होनी चाहिए वो स्टैंडर्डाइज्ड.
See, हर एक के अलग सेगमेंट से लोग आते हैं. एक मेरा कस्टमर है जिसको मैं कहूँ कि मैं आपको कस्टमाइज करके दे रही हूँ, शी विल नॉट लाइक इट. अरे पता नहीं क्या मिक्स करते. आई विल नेवर सजेस्ट फॉर द कस्टमाइजेशन. देन आई विल यूज माई पर्सनलाइजेशन. ओ मैम कहाँ रहते हो, अच्छे लग रहे हो, फर्स्ट टाइम आए हो, अच्छा मैं आपको ये देती हूँ, आपको अच्छा. See, that's why I say personalization and customization hand in hand. And 30% needs personalization nowadays, and 70% people needs customization more. And but personalization, customization को भी चाहिए. पर कई लोगों को customization नहीं, only personalization चाहिए. That 30% people.
I agree with you, Indraji. So like I will end up with one sentence.
Yes.
So like when we are talking about the customization of education, what we are saying here, we can take help of brands like Olaplex, Kevin Murphy, O3 Plus, L'Oreal. They come forward with their products for our education system. So we don't have to compromise for the education, because if we will compromise once in the education, we are not going to deliver good artists in the market. So again, there are bad people who are working behind the scene. You are consulting right, but they are doing a wrong way.
पर उन्नति
So-
खाना कहाँ से खाएंगे? Education is cheap. Like somebody comes, I can pay you only
Actually,
25,000.
हम खाना
I
रोटी डाल
cannot
रहे
keep her for 6 months. Maybe you have a more, but this is only our business. And it's not a side business. We'll have to. If you are giving me only 25, how can I give you 6 months course? I cannot. मेरे को seat चाहिए for the second person. So मैं ये भी नहीं चाहती the people who don't have more than lakh rupee and वो बेचारे रह जाए, we don't have money and we cannot do this course. That's why I have standardization कि इसमें इतना, इसमें इतना,
टेस्टिमोनी
इसमें
ऐड
इतना,
करूंगी यहाँ दीदी.
ताकि आप
I just want to
हाँ,
add one
yes.
testimony. एक student मेरे पास 16 years back आया था. He just came to me and he wanted to do course. After 4 days he said, I cannot do because I don't have money. But he was very brilliant. I said, I don't need money. You learn, you start learning. I want to teach you because you are very sharp. I did that. And that person is the owner of one brand in India right now.
That's
so I'm very happy.
personalization.
Yeah.
Definitely, even do all deaf and dumb, they get a free education from my side. And believe me, in my salon, deaf and dumb girl, the जिसको
Hard of hearing. Hard of hearing
yeah,
community.
हाँ, hearing का उसका, she is the highest paid मेरे salon में. She is with me from last 16 years.
आज
A
के
very good hairstyle.
आज के सेशन से मैं 3 चीजें सीख के जा रहा हूं. मैं कंट्रीब्यूट, आई एम लर्निंग 3 थिंग्स. 1, स्टैंडर्डाइजेशन,
That's fine.
कस्टमाइजेशन एंड पर्सनलाइजेशन. ऑल 3 आर इंपॉर्टेंट.
Yes.
और जो मेरा नेक्स्ट चीज करने का मन करे कि अब जाके फेशियल कराओ यार इनके यहाँ से. इन्होंने इतने एग्जांपल्स दे दिए कि मुझे लग रहा है मैं इतने साल गया क्यों नहीं फेशियल कराने यहाँ पे.
Very quickly, your international viewpoint, your two cents on this from international level.
I think from the education point of view, you can't, like Ankita's right, standardization you can't change. You can't really change the price because it's really expensive, like for qualifications to deliver them. They have to be a certain price. So for me, I actually look at the profit margins. Like, how can I make it more profitable? So we've introduced a lot more online learning with the hands-on. So we're taking time away from the classroom. So then they're having their own time, and this is then their personalization. When they're free, when they don't have the children, then they can sit down and learn. Then they come to us for hands-on. That means it's more profitable for us. That means we can look at the prices then, because it's much harder to be flexible with education.
Thank you so much, audience, for being so interactive, and my panel, of course. Can we have a round of applause for them? And I would now request you to step forward one by one so I can present you with the memento. Unnati ma'am. Thank you, everyone.